Welcome to Prime Auto Insights, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, deep dives, and expert insights. Today, we have something truly special, one of the last naturally aspirated V8 sedans standing tall in an era of downsizing and hybrids. The 2025 Lexus IS500 Sport Performance is here, and it refuses to go out quietly. A high-revving 5.0-liter V8, rear-wheel drive, aggressive styling, and old-school driving thrills, this is the kind of car enthusiasts dream about. But does it have what it takes to dominate the sports sedan market? So if you're a fan of high-performance cars, hit subscribe, and let's explore them together. Let's find out. The moment you lay eyes on the 2025 IS500, you know this isn't just another luxury sedan. Lexus has gone all in with aggressive styling, wider fenders, a sculpted hood, and a bold spindle grille that commands attention. The sleek LED headlights and blacked-out elements give it a mean stance, while the quad exhaust tips at the rear hint at the beast under the hood. Riding on 19-inch Enkei wheels wrapped in performance rubber, this car means business. Unlike turbocharged rivals that hide their aggression, the IS500 wears its performance on its sleeve. It's a perfect blend of Lexus luxury and muscle car attitude. Step inside, and the IS500 greets you with a driver-focused cockpit wrapped in premium materials. The seats are bolstered perfectly, blending sportiness with long-distance comfort. Lexus continues its reputation for craftsmanship with soft leather, aluminum trim, and an intuitive layout. The 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster gives you all the vital performance data, while the 10.3-inch infotainment screen now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Mark Levinson premium audio system ensures the soundtrack is just as thrilling inside as the V8's roar outside. Every detail reminds you that this is a luxury sedan that doesn't forget its sporting roots. But let's talk about what truly makes this car special, the legendary 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8. In a world dominated by turbochargers and electrification, Lexus has kept this masterpiece alive. Producing 472 horsepower and 395 pound-feet of torque, it revs past 7,000 RPM with a soundtrack that's pure symphony. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers crisp shifts. Lexus claims a 0 to 60 time of just 4.4 seconds, but the real magic isn't in the numbers, it's in the way this car feels. On the road, the IS500 is an absolute joy to drive. The naturally aspirated V8 delivers instant throttle response, a rarity in today's turbocharged world. The steering is precise, with just the right amount of weight, making it feel connected to the road. The adaptive suspension keeps the ride composed yet engaging, whether you're carving through canyon roads or cruising on the highway. Lexus has fine-tuned the chassis to strike a balance between comfort and performance, ensuring that this isn't just a weekend toy, it's a daily driver with a wild side. But how does it stack up against the competition? In a segment where turbocharged 6-cylinders and hybrids dominate, the IS500 stands alone as the last naturally aspirated V8 in its class. The BMW M340i, Audi S4, and Mercedes-AMG C43 all rely on forced induction and mild hybrid setups. While they may be quicker off the line, none can match the raw, unfiltered emotion of a high-revving V8. The IS500 is not just about speed, it's about the experience, the sound, the response, and the connection between car and driver. And here's the kicker, Lexus offers this at an incredibly competitive price. With a starting MSRP of around $60,000, the IS500 undercuts many of its European rivals while offering a more engaging, naturally aspirated alternative. Add Lexus' legendary reliability into the mix, and you have a sports sedan that's built to last. So, should you buy one? If you're an enthusiast who values old-school performance, a thrilling V8 soundtrack, and a car that feels like an instant classic, the IS500 is a no-brainer. This isn't just another sports sedan, it's a dying breed. And with electrification taking over, cars like this may not be around much longer. Lexus has given us one last chance to experience a naturally aspirated V8 in a compact luxury sedan. The question is, will you take it? If you love performance cars and want more in-depth reviews, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the latest in the automotive world. Let us know in the comments, would you take the IS500 over its turbocharged rivals? Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.